Hello, student friends. Happy to meet you all. It's Dr. Yala Kilandeshwari, Assistant Professor, Sri Sharda College for Women, Autonomous, Salem. I'm here to discuss with you on the unit gaseous states. It's nice to meet you all in this video session, in which we are going to discuss about the gaseous states. Learning science is a fun, so let us all get ready to learn about the gas laws and their applications in the series of videos. Yeah, that's great. Let's get ready with a paper and pen so that you may note down whatever is interesting. Great. Now let us go from the basics. First of all, let us think of what is matter. Just write down whatever occurs to you and we'll check the answers. Yes, anything that has mass and occupies space is matter. Very good. That's a great attempt from all of you. And what is this matter composed of? The matter is composed of atoms. Probably you would have answered this too very correct. And we know that there are three states of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. Solids, they have the atoms tightly arranged with a perfect shape and volume, and in liquids the atoms are packed loosely but have a particular volume, while the gas, the atoms are very loosely bound and they do not have a perfect shape or volume. They take the shape of the container and they occupy the volume of the container. So these are the three states of matter. And the examples are, now you can see that this ice is a solid because it has a perfect shape. And you can see the fumes coming out from the cup, and that I call it as a gas. And there is some liquid kept in the glass tumbler, maybe that is water, and I may call it as a liquid. Just a small question for all of you. Just try to identify the mistake in this figure. It's not a serious mistake, but it could have been told better. So just make a guess, like how better could the picture have been? Yes, what you have guessed is perfectly right. This gas is not very appropriate. Instead, we should have written it as vapor. So, what is the difference between vapor and a gas? Vapor is something which has been formed from the liquid state due to increase in temperature. And a gas is perfectly a gaseous substance which is existing as a gas. For example, oxygen is a gas, while water vapor or steam is also a gas, but it can be more called a vapor. So wasn't that interesting? Yes. We'll proceed further. That's an appreciation for all of you who have answered this correctly. Even if you have not answered, have you understood the difference between the gas and the vapor? Perfect. Now let us go and see some examples of gases. This is very elementary. All of you should be knowing. The air around us is a gas, carbon dioxide is a gas, helium is a gas, and even ozone is gas. And our Earth's atmosphere is composed of gases, of which nitrogen occupies the major constitution, occupying around 78.08%. And next comes oxygen, followed by argon, carbon dioxide, and trace gases. So, we live in the world full of gases. So, should we not know about these gases? Yes, that is the purpose of this video lessons. Keep continuing. Now, we will see about the properties of gases. Gases fills any container and it can be easily compressed and easily mixed with any other gas. And how can you characterize a particular gas? We can characterize a gas like we can identify or we can define a gas with the help of pressure, volume, temperature, and the number of moles. So please repeat with me. How can you define a gas? By using the variables like pressure, volume, temperature, and the number of moles of a gas. Now, there are what are called as gas laws. Those gas laws are Boyle's law, Charles' law, Avogadro's law, and Gay-Lussac's law. Even we will be looking into Dalton's law and also Graham's law of diffusion. Now, before the session is going to finish off, I would like to ask you some questions. Let us have a fun time with these questions. Atoms are closer in dash. Can you answer this? Write down the answer in your paper with your pen. Gas is a matter, true or false? And this is the question for you to think of. Now I give you A, B, C, G. Can you suggest something from this sequence? Hope you all had ample time to answer. Now it's time to check your answers. Atoms are very much closer in solids. That's perfectly right. Gas is a matter. It's true. A, B, C, G is nothing but Avogadro, Boyle, Charles, and the Gay-Lussac's laws. It is not a something called convention. It is just a thinking exercise for you. That's great for all those who have attempted this question corner, and thank you for being with me throughout the video. Let us meet in the next video on Boyle's law. Thank you. Bye-bye.